and welcome back to IntelliSkills. In today's video, we are diving into the world of Java programming, specifically focusing on the power of Java Stream and Lambda expressions. We have got an exciting program ahead of us where we'll filter strings from a list based on their starting letter. By the end of this video, you'll have a clear understanding of the differences between imperative and declarative approaches in Java. So, let us dive in and start coding together. Let's begin with the imperative approach. We'll create a method called filter strings imperatively. Here is our imperative approach code. We are looping through a list of strings, checking each string's first character, adding it to the result if it matches the specified letter. It's a straightforward and explicit way of achieving our goal. Now, let us explore the declarative approach using Java Stream and Lambda expressions. This approach is more elegant and concise. We'll create a method called filter strings declaratively. In our declarative approach, we use Java Stream to process the list of strings. We filter the strings based on the first character, and the elegant use of lambda expressions makes it concise and expressive. Let us call our imperative approach method from the main method and print the result. As you can see, when we call the imperative approach, we pass in a list of strings and the starting character C. It filters the strings and then we print the result. Now, let us call our declarative approach method and print the result. Now, let's run the program. You can see that both approaches give us the same output, but the declarative approach is more elegant. It's more concise. To sum it up, we have successfully filtered strings that start with a specific letter using both imperative and declarative approaches. The declarative approach with Java Stream and Lambda expressions stands out for its elegance and readability. Depending on your coding needs, you can choose the approach that suits you best. Thanks for coding with us today, and remember to subscribe to IntelliSkills for more exciting programming challenges. Thank you, have a great day ahead, and bye.